Welcome to TechieLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install VirtualBox on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. At first, go ahead and open up your browser. Then on Google, search for download VirtualBox. Then you need to go to the first link. After going here, just click on Windows Host. Then just save where you want to download the file. And then just wait for the file to be downloaded. And after it has been downloaded, just open the file. You can close your browser. Click on yes. Then the installer will open. Just wait. Then click on next. Click on next again after you have chosen where you want to install it. Click on yes. Click on install. Then just wait, it will install the software for you. And then just click on finish. And that is how to download and install VirtualBox on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.